Squaw's hunts take place in a split second. Squaws is an obsession with sea animals like puffins or penguins. Squaw's hunts take place in a split second. So how does squaw hunt? Let's see. 45 able squaw hunting. Seagulls' nests are scattered across this cliff and are usually in safe numbers. However, when the predatory squaw was riding the wind, one of the puffins became its prey. Squaw enjoy a delicious meal. Penguin is feeding the young. The peaceful scene did not last long because of the appearance of the squaw. Squaw flew back and forth and immediately took the baby penguin. At the ice hole, squaw ate up the baby penguin. Penguin's mother tries to chase squaw away in a desperate scream. In a split second, everything was over. Squaw won the young penguin in his mouth. Let's take a look at this moment. Today's main dish of squaw is dove naan. The scene was terrible. The young dove was operated on and no longer had the strength to fight back. Pitiful. Squaw and penguin are entering an extremely intense battle. Penguin is not afraid of squaw but actively challenges. Squaw encountered a strong opponent. It did not actively attack. Maybe the squaw will leave quickly. Brown squaw is attacking giant petrel to steal eggs. Under the protection of the mother giant petrel, the squaw failed. Squaw quickly left to find another target. Squaw uses a special move to attack birds in the air. It attacks until the prey has no strength to fly anymore. When the prey falls into the water, the squaw easily catches the prey and pulls it ashore to enjoy its meal. This wonderful scene takes place right on the cold, snowy background. Three penguins against a squaw. Squaw attacked consecutively, but penguins still did not give up. Three penguins quickly escaped successfully. Squaw's hunt has failed.
Good job.
Brown squaw is attacking the mother penguin to steal the eggs. Penguin mother got angry. Penguin's mother fought back fiercely. Unfortunately, brown squaw still managed to get an egg off the mother penguin.
Favorite little eating spots.
Squirrel rushes to steal the penguin's egg in just a second. Squirrel's hunt is extremely fast, but one egg with squirrel is not enough. Squirrel continued hunting and soon caught a young penguin. Today's squirrel hunt was extremely successful. Squirrel rushes to catch the young penguin. Suddenly, penguin mother comes to take back her child. Squirrel tries to steal the baby penguin but fails. Penguin mother has successfully protected her child. Squirrel failed to walk away. The chaotic scene on the rock took place the attack of two squirrels with penguin. Squirrel caught the young penguin in a split second. Penguin grieving mother chased after, but the two squirrels were too strong, so he had to leave. The two squirrels began to bite the young penguins near the penguins. How pitiful for baby penguins. Squirrel's fort is stealing eggs. Squirrel stole the eggs so fast that the penguin didn't have time to react. Squirrel took the wrong one with the camera attached. It ate it and threw it away. Then continued to steal other eggs. The penguin tries to protect the young from the squirrel stalking. But squirrel successfully caught by the baby penguin. The mother penguin witnessed her child being killed. This is crazy.
Secretary birds generally prey on small rodents, amphibians, and reptiles, but these ambitious birds were seen hunting and catching a scrub hare. The birds took off after the young scrub. Accurate strikes to the head and spine crippled the hare in a short time. Are you impressed with how this bird hunts? Watch this incredibly unique sighting of a gray-headed bushbrick attacking a fruit bat that fell to the ground. The fruit bat was not in an ideal position as they struggled to take flight from the ground. But with a little determination, the shaky fruit bat was able to escape and fly back into the safety of the tree. By hanging upside down, they are able to easily launch themselves into flight if they need to escape. Geese are the bouncers of the bird world and know how to protect their territory. But watch how this hard-as-nails baboon doesn't bat an eyelid when attacked by these geese to protect their precious eggs. The baboon was undeterred because it was too hungry to give up the goose eggs. The effort has paid off. The geese give up and the baboon got a good meal. The heron was on the hunt and didn't take its attention off the reeds. The long legs were walking carefully and probingly. It stared into the reeds while standing completely still. It then wiggled its body and went in for the kill. The incredible accuracy of this gray heron to help it successfully capture a mouse. The rat struggled in the hunter's beak, but within seconds, it disappeared without a trace. Truly a terrifying predator. This sighting is even rarer than a big cat kill, as there is very little available footage of a material eagle killing a baby warthog with such a spectacular landing. A gray-headed bushwhack on the dirt road is following and attacking southern vine snake. I know them to be very shy and highly venomous. There is no antidote if bitten by one of these snakes. But what we see, this snake is no match for the bird. The bushwhack and snake begin to fight each other until the snake pretended to be dead. The bird then continued to attack, but seems its initial enthusiasm was waned. Do you think the snake will survive with this scheme? Please comment to let us know your thoughts. A saddle-billed stork catching his own bite to eat. It was a snake. It is true that the power of birds cannot be underestimated. Too fast and too dangerous. Feels like snakes have no friends in the bush. A gray-headed bushwhack is pulling a snake's intestines with his beak. The snake, in pain, keeps opening its mouth as a threat, but can do much else to defend itself in its weak state. The snake didn't move after that. The head was in a hole in the mud. It was dead. This sparrowhawk did not let his cuckoo counterpart get off lightly in this battle of the birds, and at one stage, the feathers were literally flying. The good news is that after fighting extremely long and hard, the cuckoo managed to get away. That was in some way a great relief. For centuries, goshawks have been used to hunt live prey such as rabbits. With extraordinary agility, speed, and sharp eyesight, this goshawk is extremely talented. Even if the rabbit is a vivacious and wise animal, it cannot escape the goshawk's claws. Are you in awe for this superb hunting ability? The mountain goats have become the target of golden eagle hunt. The golden eagle uses its agility and speed combined with its extremely powerful talent to grab a mountain goat. It is extremely consistent in controlling its prey, while the mountain goat is also capable of fierce resistance. In the end, the mountain goat was lucky to escape from the predator's claws. What a bad day hunting for the golden eagle when it took so much effort and still lost its prey. This is the moment a brown snake eagle was doing what it does best, catching a snake. It was pretty gruesome to watch as the eagle began to eat and tear the snake apart while it was still alive. Not many people like snakes, but this was a painfully slow death. The battle, which began on the ground, ended up more than 20 feet in the air as the animals dueled over a rabbit. A red fox wandering around with a recently caught bunny between its jaws. Suddenly, a bald eagle swoops in to try and claim the prize, but the relentless fox clings onto the rabbit and is lifted more than 20 feet into the air by the eagle. Eventually, the fox is forced to let go and the eagle flies off with the rabbit in its clutches. Being hunted is bad enough. Being hunted from both the ground and the air is even worse. While this poor steenbok ran for its life, he was hunted by two jackals from behind as well as an eagle from above. It was surprising enough to see the eagle hunt such large prey. The eagle's powerful wingspan is admirable. Even though this was a short chase, neither the jackals nor the eagle managed to catch the steenbok. The steenbok managed to outrun both predators and survive to live another day.
Squaws hunts always make viewers admire because of their quickness. Attacked animals can't even react. animal world is so diverse and mysterious. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to discover more interesting things.